Hi friends, this is Nitya from 5th class Bhasham School. Today our topic is about germination and dispersal of a seed. Germination. What is the definition of germination? The development of a seed in the seedling or young plant is called germination. Dispersal. What is the definition of dispersal? The process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Some seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals, and explosion. Dispersal by wind. The seeds are very small and light. Some seeds have fine hair or flat wings-like structures attached on them. They get carried away by the wind. Examples: Calotropis, cotton. Examples of dispersal by wind: Calotropis, cotton. Dispersal by water. The seeds grow nearby water bodies are carried away by water and dispersed to different places. Such fruits and seeds are usually light. The seeds of lotus, hydrilla, and water lily are light and spongy, so they float on water and get carried to faraway places. Example: coconut, lotus, etc. Examples of dispersal by water: lotus, coconut. Dispersal by animals. Many animals help in the dispersal of seeds. Some seeds that are dispersed by animals have a hook-like structure on them. These seeds stick to the bodies of animals or birds and thus get carried away to different places. Examples: Xanthium, tiger's claw, grass. Examples of dispersal by animals: Xanthium, tiger's claw, and grass. Dispersal by explosion. Fruits of some plants burst open when they get dried up, dispersing the seeds away from the mother plant. Examples: peas, lady's finger, balsam, touch-me-not plant, etc. Examples of dispersal by explosion: tree, seed. A part of a seed. Seed coat. A seed has an outer covering called seed coat. The seed coat protects the inner part of a seed. Cotyledon. The thicky, fleshy part inside the seed coat is called cotyledon or seed leaf. Embryo. The baby plant is also known as embryo. Germination process. When a seed gets the required amount of air, water, and warmth, the baby plant in the seed begins to grow. The seed absorbs water from the soil and the seed coat splits open. The root emerges first. The root that emerges first from a seed is called radicle. The radicle slowly grows, shoot slowly grows roots and exhausts water from the soil. Then a small shoot. A shoot is nothing but stem. A small shoot comes out of a seed. This is called the plumule. The plumule grows into the stem with leaves. Leaves begin to make food for the plant. The cotyledon provides food for the growing seedling till the leaves make enough food for the plant. Germination image. The brown color part is called seed coat and the white color is called the cotyledon that provides food for the baby plant. This slowly it grows into the root. The root is called as the radicle and the radicle slowly grows into root and the root grow one small shoot that is nothing but plumule. The plumule grows into young plant with leaves and there becomes a good plant. Types of a seed. Monocotyledon. A seed that has only one cotyledon is called monocotyledon. Dicotyledon. A seed that has two cotyledons is called dicotyledon. We can say monocotyledon as monocots and dicotyledon as dicots. Examples of monocotyledon and examples of dicotyledon. Rice and wheat are examples of monocotyledon. Peas, groundnut are examples of dicotyledon. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.